Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a tax extension online with TurboTax. Filing an extension gives you an extra 6 months to submit your federal income tax return. It's important to remember that this extension is for filing your return, not for paying any taxes you might owe. You still need to estimate and pay any taxes due by the original tax deadline, typically April 15th, to avoid potential penalties and interest charges. TurboTax makes filing an extension straightforward. First, log into your account and look for the option to file an extension. You'll then be prompted to enter some basic personal information and your best estimate of any taxes you might owe. TurboTax will then prepare and electronically submit IRS Form 4868, which is the application for automatic extension of time to file U.S. individual income tax return directly to the IRS on your behalf. While an extension prevents late filing penalties, which can be as high as 5% of the unpaid taxes for each month or part of a month that a tax return is late, up to a maximum of 25%, it doesn't stop interest. Interest on unpaid taxes starts accruing from the original tax deadline, usually at a rate of 0.5% per month. You can easily pay your estimated taxes through TurboTax or directly via the IRS website. Once your extension is filed, make sure to keep a copy for your records. This extra time, typically 6 months, is valuable for organizing all your tax documents and ensuring accuracy. Don't wait until the last minute. Aim to complete and file your full tax return well before the extended deadline, which is usually October 15th, to avoid any last-minute stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.